Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Bhargava. I want to share my thoughts on big data analytics. Data is growing exponentially, and this huge amount of data is called as big data. Big data analytics is a process of collecting and analyzing large amount of data to discover some patterns and come up with useful insights. Data is coming from various sources and in different format, which is leading in explosion of data. Data analytics is composed of 5 V's, that is volume, velocity, variety, value and veracity. Volume means huge amount of data. Variety means different format of data. In big data analytics, there are 3 different format of data, that is structured, unstructured and semi-structured. Structured means the data which is in the form of tables. Unstructured means the data which is in the form of audio, video and images. Semi-structured means which has some structure but not in the tabular format. For example, JSON and XML files. Next characteristic is value, that is to come up with the useful insights or the useful information. Next characteristic of big data analytics is velocity, that is the rate at which the data is generated regularly and is being accumulated. Final and the last but not the least characteristic is veracity. Veracity means there are inconsistencies and uncertainties in data which needs to be analyzed, and it is the need of the hour. Big data analytics is contributing to generate next generation high-tech products. For example, Google self-driving car makes millions of calculations on every trip. On each trip, data is being generated. This data is analyzed, which helps the car to decide when and where to turn, when and where to speed up, when and where to slow down. Another example of self-driving car is Toyota Prius, which has GPS, sensors, powerful computers, cameras, which is fitted in that car to take those decisions which are taken by analytics, enable the companies to increase the revenues, decrease the cost and become more competitive within the industries. Big data analytics help the organizations to better understand the information contained within the data and will also help to identify the data that is most important to business and future business decisions. Analysts working with big data typically want the knowledge that comes from analyzing the data. The industry of big data is growing immensely, so there is a compelling need for the skilled people with the ability to understand data, think from business point of view and come up with useful insights. If you want to study about data science and want to study about big data analytics, you can also approach Pacific University Udaipur.